Hi everyone, with the Premier League season just around the corner, just a few days to go, I thought I would share with you one of my favourite football themed cocktails. Being Sunderland supporters, it has to be a Black Cat cocktail. So for this one, really easy to build it in the glass. So I've filled my glass with ice. You can use a highball, a hurricane, a large wine glass, anything you like really, pint glass if you must. And we will need some vodka. So the vodka I've got is JJ vodka. I picked this one up in the supermarket. It's one I have quite often when I'm doing cocktails. It's quite reasonably priced and is pretty good. And then you'll need some cherry brandy. So either a cherry liqueur, which is what I've got here, which is the Heering cherry liqueur. It's one of my favourites. So I tend to use this one over cherry brandy. If you're going for a cherry brandy from the supermarket and it's quite cheap, just beware, it might go a little bit medicinal tasting. So if you have cherry brandy a lot, do choose a good one. You'll need some cola. So I've got Coca-Cola here. You can use Pepsi, you can use any supermarket brand, whatever you like. And some cranberry juice as well. So I've got the Ocean Spray one here. It was on offer, I think it was on offer in Tesco. Which is quite a nice one to use in cocktails. You'll need some cocktail cherries, which we'll garnish with, and some lime as well. Just a squeeze of lime goes into this one. So for this, like I say, you build it in the glass. You don't have to worry too much about the measures. So some of you I know will like this one. So we're going to go for about 1.5 to 2 of the vodka. And I will measure it out just so you can see how it builds up. So this is, I think that was about 2 in there. Then we need our cherry brandy or our cherry liqueur. And you want about 3/4 of a shot to a shot of the cherry liqueur. Oh, mine's oxidised a little bit. I'm obviously not drinking it fast enough, so get drinking with the cherry brandy. Still tastes great. It's just the colour goes if it's been open a little while and the air gets to it. You'll need about 3 shots, so 90 to 100 ml of cranberry juice. That's 2. Nice red colour. And then we're going to go for our cola. So the cola, just top up gently. You want to try and keep a little bit of the colours sort of still visible as you serve it, really. There we go. And then we're going to give it a squeeze of lime. So just onto the top, just squeeze it in. Good old squeeze, as much lime as you like. I like quite a lot. And then we're going to use the cherries. I've already popped them onto the stick because they're little devils, they kept running away. So I've got 3 cherries on a cocktail stick there, which I am going to pop onto the top. Fantastic. And then, oh, forgot my straw. Let's grab the straw. Out of another one made earlier. There we go. You could pop a stirrer in there as well. Depends on your glass whether you want a straw or not. But that's our Black Cat cocktail. So here's to the start of the season. Oh, we've lost some cherries as well. Give it a stir before you try it. Oh, perfect. It's quite boozy actually. Let me know if you do try this one. I'd love to see your pictures and let me know which team you support. We'll see how we get on. Thank you.